Hello children, let us today start something new to you all, that is the features of animal kingdom. Animals, all those who can show the locomotion, they are known as animals. They do not have a cell wall, but there are certain characteristics on which these animals are being classified. In this video, I'll be explaining you about the basis of classification of animal kingdom. Let us now understand the different levels on which the animals of animal kingdom are classified. Animals are classified on the basis of levels of organizations and animal body patterns. Level of organizations include the cellular level, in which the organisms are present in their simpler forms. Cell tissue level, in this the body organization have true tissues. Tissue organ level of organization includes the organization of tissues into organs. Organ system level of classification includes many organs which collectively functions together to form an organ system. If we talk about the animal body patterns, so they are differentiated on the basis of symmetry. Symmetry means when the organism can be divided into equal halves through any plane passing through the center, it is known as spherical symmetry. The next level of organization is about the primary germ layers. In the primary germ layers, the germ layers are differentiated as primary ectoderm, middle mesoderm, and inner endoderm, which are formed after gastrulation. The animals are triploblastic, diploblastic. If we talk about the body cavity, the organisms are differentiated as coelomates, pseudocoelomates, and acoelomates. Coelomates means the presence of true body cavity. Pseudocoelomate means when the false cavity is present in the organism in roundworms and rotifers, that is, a hollow space is present. If we talk about acoelomates, so the acoelomates are the organisms which do not have coelom. Example, sponges, coelenterates, and flatworms. I think you have understood the concept. In the next video, I'll be explaining you about the phylum Porifera. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.